I started basically when I first left school at 14 and was an apprentice painter and decorator. Got smart, went back to school, and then I lucked into property. Why property? I've always thought that it's an area that releases some creativity in me, in that that's something I can do that is a lasting legacy.
We get to enhance assets, to make them grow, to make them a better asset, and you can drive around and say, we did that.
And yeah, we've done a few of them, and over 70 of those projects have been great to work on.
There's an endurance factor in that, which is great. The aim of the business was to manage commercial real estate assets for maximum financial gain, ultimately to give people wealth solutions with their savings and their superannuation.
It grew from there to be what it is today, of nearly 20 people, over $1 billion under management, and a ongoing business that I think will well survive me.
So when I first joined the business, it was Sproats and Partners, and we were a boutique property specialist group.
But we needed to rebrand it to a non-family name. At the Olympic Games, and it was Citius, Altius, Fortius.
Faster, higher, stronger.
And the Fortius just jumped at us.
And strength is something that we value most in what we do.
The biggest advantage of being independent is you can say no. The second one is you are not being subject to somebody else in another place making decisions about your business.
Our most important master is our investor in our products and our deals, not investors in the company, so to speak, or shareholders.
And thirdly, that we can be adaptable. We are not locked into an immovable guideline, that we can react to whatever the market demands of us. Again, in the preservation of people's capital, and our capital is the most important item in this business.
Cornerstones of Fortius success are based on respect and trust and experience, and that's something that Ray Sproats and the Fortius team do very well.
We as Fortius are always striving to have a workplace where people are motivated to do the best job they can, reach their potential.
It's entrepreneurial and it's opportunistic.
We've got a lot of long-standing employees who have a lot of experience, and vice versa, new employees who provide a new outlook on the property market.
There's a few of us here with the same surnames, but we're all part of a bigger family unit.
We're all well informed about where the business is going, what everybody in the business is doing, and what the current status of any matter is at any one time.
We've got a good crew of people here, and we enjoy ourselves, and you've got to enjoy yourself. You've got to come to work and enjoy yourself.
We go in sporting events together, we socialise together, but most importantly we work collaboratively and collegiately together to achieve our goals.
All our successes are celebrated as a team, and it's a very significant and symbolic gesture of ringing the bell.
It's a sign of achievement.
Probably the most defining things for me were the two financial crashes or corrections that I've been through, one being the tech wreck in 2000, the other one being the global financial crisis in 2008.
There were many headwinds, there were difficulties, there were problems everywhere. But being able to manage those problems and work through them, there's always a solution.
We had a circa $800 million development coming out of the ground in the Pitt Street Mall. The GFC hit, financing rates went through the roof, and we had to come up with a solution with our bank to see our way through the storm.
5 years, 6 years after that event, and we've just transacted in the biggest transaction we've ever been involved in. So
ultimately provided a great financial outcome for our investors.
What I admire about Fortius is its focus on giving a priority to the best interest of clients. Clients always come first.
Investors have to want to invest their money with us, and in order to do that, it's about trust.
We never ever try and misguide people. We are good for our word. Contracts are important, but our word is even more important.
We're trying to work with people to help them have better businesses, which in turn helps us have a better business.
If you've got skill, commitment, behave ethically in a team-based environment, you'll always be successful.
Having our 25th anniversary is such a great milestone.
We're very proud that we have outlasted the competition.
It's truly a recognition of a lot of hard work, a lot of great people in our business and outside of our business that have made us get there.
And that we're still doing things and we're doing it better every day.
What's exciting now is that this is just the first 25 years. It's what lies ahead that is exciting.
I think there's a lot of opportunity at Fortius.
We've just launched a new fund.
We've also expanded internationally. We've started an office in Singapore, and that's something that we're looking forward to seeing the growth in there.
And we're scouring Australia for new opportunities, and we do have a few on our radar.
There'll be a few secrets in there, but we've got to differentiate ourselves. We've got to have our points of difference.
So I think the future is multi-income streams.
And therefore give good, solid returns, safe returns to our investors.
Team and skill and commitment means success. Fortius has got that.